actually, no. I don't know if I'm clear, but I just woke up. It's literally like 5 o'clock now. I have a funeral to attend. So it starts at 7. So I need to wake up early so that I'm on time. But before that, I just wanted to start off this video. I'm tired, honestly. I'm trying to hype myself up. I'm just trying to hype myself up. That's all there is to it. But without making any more noise. Because people are sleeping. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi pie, thank you so much for joining in. Welcome to the pie world. It can be a little crumbly in here, but we get it done. We get it manifested, we get it prayed up, we get it faithed up. So please hit the subscribe button below to become a pie. And yeah, if your life is not as chaotic as mine, I don't think this is your world. But yeah, if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for thank you so much for coming back. So yeah, I've already ironed and packed because I'm not coming back anytime soon. A very close person to my heart lost a son. So there's nothing more daunting than losing a son. But you know what? Right now I'm just gonna bath. I'm just gonna do my bed quickly, then bath. Then after, not even bath, if y'all can know that. So yeah, after that I think I'm gonna be heading out, and then I'll talk to you whenever I can. Oh, the previous video that you saw, or clip that you saw, that was me at work. That was us teaching at a primary school, guys. It's really fun because kids have got time to do all the nice stuff without feeling embarrassed or anything like that. So, and us teachers also get to play with our inner child and heal the inner child. But it is a conversation that we will have in this video. So let me get going. So I am gonna be wearing this black dress. It's a black bodycon dress, simple black bodycon dress. Then I will be pairing it with this beige jacket, right? Beige jacket that I got from Mr. Price. It's not from Mr. Price, from Markham's, in a small. It's a men's jacket, yes. And then I'll be pairing it with this green duke because I feel like the monochromes go together with for a pop of color. And this green shoes that I got from an online store, I think. And then I'm gonna be wearing this cream jacket just for contrast. So this is the outfit. I will try to do an OOTD once I'm done, but I wanted to show you before I wear it. Let me go get dressed. Let me go get a bath, guys. I am late.
Your other friends. If something happens on the same day where you have an event with this friend and the same day an event with these friends, and then it's like, shucks, but these ones then said, they told me about this before this one, and you decide to go to that one, and this one gets angry. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
No, guys, honestly.
You can't split yourself in two trying to make everybody happy. Why can't we all just get along, for crying out loud? At the end of the day, they're my friends, and you're my friend. And that's okay. That's okay. You don't need to bring them near each other. You don't have to have them in each other's space all the time. There can be moments here and there when you're celebrating a birthday or whatever, that's fine. But if this person has a problem even when you're with your other friends and they make snide remarks like, I don't even want to hear about that girl, or I don't know, or this, you and your friends, or make mean comments about you and your friends, get out of there. I'm an overthinker. I overthink, I overanalyze, decide, and run. I ghost, basically. Ghosters are problematic people.
I'll ghost you. Mental health is one of the most excruciating things that you can go through, especially if you have like a bad mental health relationship where your life, your everything is just a trigger around you. And when you're going through a certain transition and you don't know if what you believed was true, if what you know is actually the right thing, so it becomes very, 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 very not okay. So here I just decided, you know what, as much as I'm going through all that, let me go do my hair, my brows and my nails, just to do my monthly reset and just to get myself intact, so that as I'm working with my inner self, then I know, Guti, I'm gonna be fine. And I just want to leave that with you, that you are going to be fine. Things change, people grow, people outgrow certain things, and it's okay to transition and transform, and it's okay to leave certain things behind. So yeah, just be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself and allow yourself to go through everything that you need to go through for the betterment of you. Enjoy. Hi guys. Sure, it's been a while since we last spoke. I don't want to lie, my mental health took a huge drop. I think mainly because of the funeral that I attended. It was very hard. One of my fears is losing my mom. Not even a fear, but one of my anxiety triggers is losing my mom. So I think having to experience a parent lose a daughter, a child, not even a daughter, but a child, sure, I think it kind of like took me to a place where I'm like, will I be able to handle such pain? And my mental health just dropped. But right now I'm better. I did some maintenance, monthly maintenance. I wanted to do it as a separate video, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do it, how I pick myself up and stuff. And yeah, so right now I'm just here to end this video. I hope that we're gonna have a better one next week with the things so I just want to show you my maintenance, what I did. So I did my hair. It's just a lipondo. I relaxed it, and then they put styling gel and put me under that thing. And then I did my brows. This is my ombre brows. Now they're still healing, so I put this other thing that they gave me. They were not that hurt. They didn't hurt that much, just to be quite honest, but it was just an uncomfortable pain. And yeah, so if you have a zero tolerance pain like me, I'm not sure if you should get it. Yeah, I'm not sure if you should get it, but if you have a high tolerance of pain, you definitely will. I went for it at a special, but the normal price is 2.5. You can get her if you're around Harris Smith Free State, then you can get the lady that did my brows. Go Lenda Beauty or Lenda Nails Beauty, something like that, on Instagram. I'll just link it down below. Beautiful. I also do my nails at her. So I did my nails on a Friday, and then I did my brows on a Saturday. So yeah, this is how it looked. Yeah, it was nothing too hectic. Yeah, this is how it looked. How it looks. I love them so much. I love this red. I think it's gonna be my staple color, but knowing her no. So guys, thank you so much for bearing with me. Thank you so much for subscribing, and then please subscribe to my channel. I have more views than subscribers on my channel, which is not good. This channel, it is transitioning into something very new that you will be seeing in September. The beginning of September, you will be seeing that video drop. So please subscribe, and then yeah, comment, like. Don't forget, don't be scared to engage. Let's engage with each other. This is a home. As I said, this is a power world. We are all crumbly. There's no comment that is not good enough. There's nothing that is not worth watching. So yeah, it's worth saying. So please comment. And so right now I'm ending this vlog. Then after this one, I am starting a new one. I'm at my friend's house, and I'm going to get her. She just had a very difficult ordeal, so I just want to go and cheer her up. And then yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.